Today we will be reviewing smart TVs, Hisense 55A7800F. Choosing from a wide variety of appliances could be really daunting. So Hearing You and You will help choose the right appliance for your home that will suit your need and suit your budget without breaking the bank. So from a list of multiple designs and multiple appliances, we would recommend exactly what you need that will suit your home without any regrets. Let's look at the model number. 55 talks about the screen size, which is 55 inches edge to edge. A7800F refers to the unique features of this very model. The 55A7800F features a bezel-less design, meaning that the offset of the frame is almost zero, so it can be assumed that it has no bezel, although it still has a thin frame that goes around the screen for protection. This TV also features a special sound and visual technology such as Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. The sound is powered by JBL.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound.
Dolby Atmos is an innovation by Dolby Digital designed to give you an immersive effect similar to what you get in a cinema. Now, unlike your regular stereo, Dolby Atmos gives you sound with 3D effect. It feels like the sound is moving around you and puts you in the center of the action, just like a real-world experience.
And this is Dolby Atmos.
Now let's talk about Dolby Vision. Dolby Vision is a new generation visual technology focused on increasing brightness and contrast, also elevating colors to its true form. It gives an effect like you're looking through the window, not just the screen. You feel the image like it's real. Watching a Dolby Atmos TV almost feels like you're in a cinema. This product also comes with a coupon, just like every other product in the U&U online store, which means on your next order you only get to pay a little. Discounts will be applied. This product also features Vida Smart OS.
Vida, it's all about you.
So expect your Netflix, YouTube and every other thing that you expect from a smart TV. Simply click on the buy button. Choose your payment option and await your delivery.
Know your electronics and make your electronics know you. Today we will talk about what you will call
these ones are rich
freezer.
in
We will talk about
the beauty of it.
But
is that
before we
they
talk
come
about
with
freezer,
gas,
you don't talk
size.
about this
And then we have the not so common type. This one is called the convection microwave.
Okay.
They have heating elements and fans which cool the food in external heat that enables it to cool the food both from the inside and the outside.
Okay, now Mr. Winston, people are agreeing yes, that microwaves are good to use.